With 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom, Unit F at 389 North Main Street in Martinsville, Indiana, has been meticulously updated to meet the needs of the modern renter. Featuring brand new kitchen appliances and a sleek contemporary aesthetic, this pet-friendly unit proves you don't have to sacrifice style for a great price. As part of the building's complete property-wide renovation, Unit F is now under the professional care of Red Door Property Management. While it offers a more efficient footprint, it punches above its weight class, with high-end finishes and a pristine, new build feel. Top features: modern upgrades. Fully equipped with brand new appliances and contemporary finishes from the 2024-2025 renovation. Smart and efficient. A high-appeal layout designed for those who value style and ease of living. Exceptional value. The perfect opportunity to live in a fully renovated building at our most budget-friendly price point. Professional management. New leadership by Red Door ensures a quality living experience and responsive service.